In this first video, I'm going to show you some basics of using Google Calendar. So once you're logged into your email account, you just need to go up to the waffle icon and select Calendar. There's different views to view your calendar. You can view it by the day, the week, the month, for 4 days, or you can give yourself an agenda. All of these are able to be printed out by going to More and then Print. It'll print the view that is automatically displayed. It'll tell you, it'll ask for the range, the font size, and if you want it black and white. And once you're done, at the bottom, it does give you the option to print, or you can even save it as something. I'm going to cancel out of that. I'm going to go back to my week view. So the next thing you can do is you can create your own event. You can either select the day just by clicking in an open spot, or you can come over here to create and then create your event there. It allows you to select the day that you would like. So you can just select, for instance, I'll do there, select the time. You can make it an all-day event. So if it's, for instance, to remind you about a birthday, or if you have a field trip on a certain day you want to remind yourself, you could select all day. Now if it's a birthday, at the bottom, you may want to show it as available, but if it's a field trip, you would be busy. Event details, so you can enter the location. It allows you to do a video call if you'd like. It has you set it on which calendar you'd like, if you have multiple calendars. You can add a description. You can add an attachment. It's going to allow you to share something on there that maybe you created in Google Drive, something that was shared with you, something that maybe you want to upload from your computer, or something previously selected. You can create a special color for maybe a specific type of calendar event by selecting the color here. Notifications is going to allow it to be, the default is 10 minutes. You can have a pop-up, you can have an email reminder, or a text message. And your calendar default, we'll talk about that in a little bit, but you can make your event public or private. Over here you can actually select your guests. If you've already created groups for your contacts within your Gmail, you can enter in that group name in here. So I have LASD admin. That automatically added all of these people to that. I can X them out just by doing this, and it gets rid of them. I can also see if they've accepted their invitation right here. I can allow them to change the event, modify the event. I can allow them to invite others if I wanted to, if that check mark's checked. And I can allow them to see the guest list. So we can do that as well. If you choose to have one of your invitational guests from over here be optional, notice that it says click the person icon and mark as optional. So I could select that, and it makes it a different color, stating that yes, they're invited, but it's not a required commitment. So if I come up here and click Save, here is my event. It's an all-day event. If I did not want to make that an all-day event, if I wanted to alter it, I just clicked on that event. I can change it to a certain time and then click Save. So there it comes up. So again, if I just clicked on that, it'll pop up and it allows me to edit that event. Also, this right here allows me to extend it so that I can change the times like that as well. Okay, so those were just a few of the basics on how to create an event and invite others.